You save every month, so why does your account still feel empty? Today you'll learn the truth that no school ever taught you. Every day you wait, your money is silently dying. This is John, 25, hard-working, honest, and completely obsessed with saving. Every month he saves $500. He thinks he's doing everything right. This is Mike, same age, same salary, but one completely different decision. Mike invests that same $500 every month, without fail, without emotion. Both start with zero. Same money, same day. The race begins. But here's what most people never realize about how money actually works. That bread cost $1 in 2000. Today it costs $4. That's inflation. Inflation is silently stealing from John's jar. Every single night. Every year inflation eats 3% of your savings without ever touching it. John feels safe. But the damage is already happening. Inflation at 7%. Bank giving 0.5%. You're losing 6.5% every single year. John's $30,000 savings in 5 years has the buying power of just $22,000. Mike isn't even watching. His money is working while he sleeps. This is compounding, the biggest unfair advantage in all of finance. Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Your returns earn returns. Then those returns earn more returns. It never stops. Saving gives you a flat road. Investing gives you a road that launches into the sky. 5 years later, John's jar is barely bigger. He's frustrated but doesn't know why. Mike's $30,000 is already $44,000. He didn't add a single dollar extra. John sees the gap forming, but he thinks investing is too risky. And that one myth has kept millions of people broke their entire lives. Gambling is pure luck. Long-term investing has never lost money historically. The S&P 500 has averaged 10% returns every year for the last 50 years. John had no idea, and that gap in knowledge is costing him everything. Schools teach algebra and history, but never how money actually works. Your parents meant well, but save your money was advice from a different era. Savings accounts paid 8% in the 1970s. Today, less than 0.5%. The rules of money completely changed, but the old advice is still being passed down. John is playing by old rules in a completely new game. But here's what Mike understood early, and it changed absolutely everything for him. Wealth has a formula. Miss just one piece and the whole thing falls apart. John only controls the money lever. Mike pulls all three. That's why the gap explodes. A 22-year-old investing 100-month will beat a 40-year-old investing 500-month every time. That's not a typo. $100 a month becomes over $1 million. John just learned this at age 32. He already lost 10 years. That silence was expensive. Those 10 lost years cost John approximately $200,000 in future wealth. Time is the one thing money cannot buy back, and most people realize this way too late. But the second best time to start is right now, and Mike is about to show you exactly how simple it is. Mike didn't need an advisor. He opened an index fund account in 10 minutes. An index fund is a basket of hundreds of companies. You own a small piece of all of them. One company fails, the others carry the basket. Your risk is automatically spread. John tries to pick winning stocks himself. That's exactly where most beginners lose money. 90% of professional fund managers fail to beat simple index funds long term. If the experts can't beat it, what chance does a beginner have picking random stocks? Even the world's greatest investor tells ordinary people to just buy index funds. Mike set up automatic investing. Money moves every month without him doing anything. Automation removes human emotion from investing. That's the secret weapon of wealthy people. John decides manually each month. Some months he spends it. Those gaps cost him everything. Consistency beats brilliance. Small and steady wins every time. At 35, John has saved $42,000. He feels proud. He shouldn't. Mike, at the same age, has $98,000. Same salary, different decision. That $56,000 gap will only keep growing. John still doesn't know why, Mike earned $28,000 without depositing it. Compounding created it from nothing. John finally asks Mike his secret. I just started early and never stopped. That simple answer hit John like a truck. No tricks, just time and consistency. Another myth destroying people's futures. You don't need a lot of money to start. You can start with just $1 today. The barrier is gone. The excuse is gone. Every excuse John made was costing him thousands per year. None of those excuses were real, just fear wearing a disguise. Fear is the real enemy of wealth. Not the market, fear. But what about market crashes? This is where it gets interesting. When markets crash, most people panic and sell. That's the most expensive mistake in investing. Mike doesn't panic. He actually buys more. A market crash is just a massive sale on the best companies in the world. Mike buys Apple and Amazon at 40% off. Most people are too scared to look. John sells at the bottom and locks in losses. He just made the worst financial decision of his life. Every single crash in history has fully recovered and gone higher. The 2008 crash looked terrifying. It recovered fully within 5 years. Mike's patience turned a crash into his biggest gain. Portfolio jumped 60% in the recovery. John watched from the sidelines. He missed the entire recovery. People who sell during crashes never catch the recovery. The door closes instantly. The most powerful rule in investing time in the market beats timing the market. Nobody can predict the perfect time to buy. Not experts, not anyone. Mike doesn't wait for perfect conditions. He invests every month regardless. John keeps waiting for the right moment. The right moment never comes. The years do. John is now 40. His savings barely moved in 15 years. Mike is also 40. Portfolio now $285,000. He only deposited $90,000. Mike deposited $90,000 over 15 years. Compounding created another $195,000 for free. John just realized he missed $195,000. That required zero work from Mike. Compounding never sleeps, never asks for a raise, never calls in sick. John can't sleep that night. He finally understands what he's been missing. Here's what most people don't realize. It's not too late, not even close. John decides to start today, right now. Not next month, today. His first $500 is invested. The most important $500 he's ever moved. One decision changed his entire future. One single decision. He automates it immediately. No more excuses. Same person. Same income. Completely different destiny. Let's destroy another deadly myth. The market is not only for rich people. A teacher investing $50 a month will retire. Wealthier than a doctor who never invests. Income doesn't build wealth. Investment habits build wealth. Ronald was a janitor his whole life. He left $8 million to charity. True story. Small amounts. Consistent decades. Compounding did the rest. No luck, no inheritance. John read that story at 2 a.m. He cried a little, then invested more next morning. Every dollar reaches a fork in the road. Where it goes determines your entire future. John found $300 in spending he didn't even notice, throwing it away every month. He redirected just $300 into investments. That move creates over $400,000 in 25 years. $300 a month. $400,000. Let that sink in. Mike at 45 hits $400,000. Same lifestyle. Just stayed consistent. John started late but stayed consistent. He's at $180,000 and finally moving. John can't catch Mike, but he's winning against his old self. That's the real competition, against the version of you that never started. The most dangerous lie people tell themselves, I'll start when I earn more. When income rises, lifestyle rises with it. There's never a perfect time to start. The 30K earner who invests beats the 100K earner who doesn't, guaranteed. John finally understands. So he makes sure his nephew never repeats the mistake. The nephew starts at 20. John's regret becomes the nephew's advantage. That nephew retires with $1.4 million from just $100 a month at age 20. Wealth knowledge compounds like money. One person who learns changes a generation. This is how generational wealth is built. Not through inheritance, through knowledge. Only 24% of Americans are financially literate. You're now part of a rare group. Use it. John at 50 has $320,000. Started late, but started, and it's working. Mike at 50 crosses $700,000. Quietly planning to retire at 55. No boss, no alarm, no financial stress. 5 years away. John works until 65. 10 extra years. The direct cost of starting late. 10 extra years. 3,650 extra days. All from a 10-year delay. That's the real cost of waiting. Not just money, your actual time alive. Now we've reached the biggest mistake. And this one will shock you. Most high earners are one paycheck from broke. High income with no investments equals zero wealth. Looking wealthy and being wealthy are two completely different things. 70% of NFL players go broke. Within 5 years, highest income, zero investing habits. John's $320,000 portfolio makes him wealthier than people earning triple his salary. Chasing income is a trap. Building assets is the actual game. Assets create income without you working. That's true financial freedom. Mike receives dividends every quarter, money arriving because he owns things, not because he worked. Passive income is the goal behind all investing. Money working harder than you ever could. Mike's dividends cover his groceries. By 51 expense, his job no longer pays. As investments grow, passive income covers more until one day it covers everything. The day passive income equals your expenses, you are financially free forever. Mike reaches that crossover at 55. 30 years of investing, one lifetime of freedom. John's crossover comes at 68, later than Mike, but it's coming. Most people's lines never cross. They work until they physically can't. That's the alternative. Working at 75 not because you want to, but because you have to. John looked at that image for a long time, then increased his investment the very next day. The most powerful word in investing isn't how much. It's now. Every day you don't start, someone else is already one day ahead. Delaying just 5 years cuts your wealth by 35%, not 5%, 35%. John's delay cost him $245,000, $250,000, lost to waiting. That's what waiting looks like in real money. Thrown away, gone, irretrievable. Now we've reached the most shocking part. Most people never see this coming. Mike retires at 55 with $1.4 million. He only deposited $180,000 himself. Compounding created $120,000. Mike created $180,000. Almost unbelievable. For every dollar Mike put in the market, returned nearly 7 to 1. That's 30 years of consistent investing. $7 back for every $1 in. John's final number is $680,000, still life-changing. But half of what it could have been. John's 10-year delay cost him a permanent $720,000 difference. John accepts it. He can't change the past, but he can protect his future. He writes one sentence to his younger self: start the day you get your first paycheck. That letter is for you. The person watching right now, you are John, before the regret, before it's too late. You're standing at the fork right now. Both roads are open. One road leads to working forever. The other leads to freedom. Here's your exact action plan. 3 steps, starting today. Step 1, open an index fund today. 10 minutes, free to start. Step 2, automate a monthly amount. Even $50, just make it automatic. Step 3, never stop. Never panic sell. Let compounding work. 3 steps. That's the whole system. Nothing more complicated than this. Mike wakes up naturally at 8 a.m. No alarm, no job, no stress. John made it too, later start, but free, no regrets. The person who never invested, still working at 70, no choices left. 3 people, same start. 3 completely different endings. The difference between all 3, one app, one decision, one day. That day is today. That person is you. Rule of 72, divide 72 by your return. That's years to double your money. $10,000 at 8% becomes $160,000 without adding a single dollar. Start 10 years late. That $160,000 becomes $80,000, half the result. The final lesson here has nothing to do with money. It's about time. Time is what money can never buy back. Young hands investing small always beat old hands investing large. Don't be John for one more day. You know too much to keep waiting. Both men made it, but only one made it fully. Be that one. Savers stay broke fighting inflation. Investors get rich using time. Best time to invest was yesterday. Second best time is right now.